you dey inside Meta Home of Comedy, keep just a watch all our subscribe to our YouTube channel, Meta Home of Comedy. Yeah, but Bob say now Meta case we dey for Meta Home of Comedy.
Just recently, like they sacked Mourinho, pastors take out to another level. Some of you in this church, you are praying for God to promote you. Shut up your mouth. Pray for sack later. You got the wonder. Pray for sack later. They sacked Mourinho, but the Lord surprised him with 14 million pounds. I got the wonder whether than God. First time Mourinho for Chelsea. Now you are here praying for promotion. Change your prayer. Pray for God to sack you. Always say prayer. Father, sack me. Sack me. Sack. I resign. I quit. Let my God die. Let my God die. Oh God, they shout. Father, return that prayer. Let the owner of that prayer die. I say pounds, dollars just they go up now. Not be smarting. Everybody they humble now. Malam a big boy for Lagos now. Malam. Nobody get money reach Malam now. They increase how much you get. Malam they cancel loan. Now they disturb me and they busy. How much you say you want change? God can punish you. You get $20. You walk up go disturb Malam. Hello Aboki, where you did? I get money. How much? $20. You say $20. 20 waiting. $20. You want change them for my hand? Where you did? I tell my ass, okay. Police they come pick you now. $20. I want to stop my account. I don't know why as Buhari they travel. If like that they travel, they go beg dollar to come down. I go understand. Because I don't reach where they go beg dollar to come down. We just they come from London now. We go watch film. They say to watch film. You know, say once we travel, other London people say, don't even calculate, man, don't calculate. Bro, we don't calculate, just spend the money. I said, man, not calculate with how long we want to stay here. And at the time, man, not calculate. Now I go even buy calculator yourself. You know, so those London people, the way that they beg you big money for London as well, you got 10 quid. I say, 10 quid, wait. 10 quid for the new rate, that is 4,500. No, I not get. You don't they beg 4,500 like saying that's what. I said, now tell the guy, say, my brother, if you want beg me 4,500, you go tell me story, you go humble. My brother, I've been going through a lot of stress of late. It's not my condition to beg you, but I'm really broke. As I speak with you, my wife is in the hospital. Two of my children are dying. Can you help me with 4,500? I go understand. You don't go to beg full 4,500 with British accent. Do you have 10 quid? I don't get 10 quid. Go also. And they calculate everything. That's what up burger. They say that's 7 quid. I say 7 quid. Bang. Close to 4,000. I say if I remove the tomatoes, how much you go pay? Now let bread I chop. Then they say man not calculate. And they calculate everything. We go watch film. They say to watch film now £40. Now as you can say, if we watch the film, the actor they go come out. That's so no because it's a 3D experience. You know, I say I know say na 3D, but now see because the actors. Because if I go pay that guy, you know how much be £40? Wait, carry my calculator. Bing. £40. That's close to 20 something. How much be £40 again, sir? Oh, don't forget. Okay, £150. So £40 a hand. Now that there's another pay. What will shock me? Popcorn. £5. What? How much be bag of corn with fowl? 2 fowl. 2 fowl go follow the bag of corn. Now we don't pay chop. And all those one guys they heartless. If you know say they're gonna big pocket, you get gonna big pocket. When you know say they don't get shit, they carry 2 hands, they carry popcorn. They enter movie hall. I said, God, I go punish you at least your popcorn. You never talk mission place, only throw the dry. I say, I'm feeling thirsty. I say, you go toilet, go drink water. Because when you the other basket of popcorn, you don't know say all girl for go catch you. Imagine when Olamide and Don Jazzy fight. One night say Olamide win. Because Olamide fans, they be streets. Because for as far as I'm concerned, Olamide win. And I mean I like, no, let's be frank. Because they divide Lagos. Olamide say, you Don Jazzy, not near mainland. Don Jazzy say, they your mainland. Nonsense, not near island. Don Jazzy can remember say airport, they for mainland. Only show when you want fly go, you must reach airport. The only call they ask Lagos State, when are they doing the new airport on the island? They say not this millennium. Like oh, 5 will go settle them. But why? Because the truth be said, everybody told Olamide fans, then have mouth, they take the vote. I will vote for you. Olamide, Luke, now mouth, they don't get phone, they don't get data. Their phone has small Nokia touch now. I don't want to take a vote. Ricardo Banks, they fast now at your girls when they stay for Lekki, you know, Banana Island. Oh my gosh. Those ones that they read it. Now iPad, they take the vote. I'm going to vote for Ricardo. I don't even know his songs, but I just like the name Ricardo. His name has banks in it. We have money. Lucas fans now, man, they tell you, I don't vote for you. Well, yesterday we vote for streets now. We just, all of us gather, now we vote. Every hits back to back. The funny thing now, they don't put Lucas for serious stress. Because now the doctor say every song now hits back to back. Anytime I enter studio sing, no let go ask himself, this one I hit so. Olamide don't put her for serious stress. Because the industry, they stress everybody. No, think I'm now. Industry, they stress everybody. See our guy now, Shantizu. He first black before, we blow. He got bleach, he got the fall. Now they shade himself for some, make it black back. Industry, they stress everybody. They say if you sing song, you must do dance. Now our guy, Korede, I don't get a lot. God do it. My brother will say you make you dance. Because YBN, they don't do dance, they don't do shocky, they don't do this one, they don't do shakit. My guy say, no man, shit nigga, shit. I go sing, I not go get dance. God do we know, God do we know. Go dance like this for club, and then you go to say that let they catch you. Nobody answer Ramo. When he dance, God win for 4 shows. Nobody answer. If they do God do we, no, nobody answer. Now I say God do we, no, God. I say oh idiot. So you know that step before. Now you want me? You just see big man. I know say Nigeria. Once we see anything, they do and die. Big man just they club. They do like who don't crazy. God say because God. I got to wait for that condition. God not wait for that condition no. And what it cause all this nonsense? Now P Square. Now they cause them. Now they cause on this dance where they take everybody one dance. Now P Square. Because when people P Square starts, although now we know say that one they dance, they cover up. We know say we think say that 2 night plan the dance before, but as old age come now. Once one they dance, one they go stay on top speaker. Yeah, look at my brother man, Peter there man, shit. I'm too old for this rubbish man. When you start before, you don't know say old age will catch up with you. Now they can't start up these ones. You don't dance now, you don't get stranded. Now they don't, only they got to let us know the main truth behind. You know, one they write, one they dance. So this one don't know, because they say they won't break up. My brother, if they won't break up, they break up. Break up not be big story for this industry again. Not be big story now. The band and Don Jazzy break up, nobody answer there. Oh, I'll come my friend if you want to. Even if Don and Jazzy break up now, nobody go talk. Be story again. Maybe they take out they threaten us like say if they break up, music go stop. No, nah. Who want break up, make it break up. After us, who break up now money they take they bring them back. Yes, now money. Only don't just say they give money, say no, they come back to the band. No matter the amount, they say I'd rather die. I'd rather die. But come to think of it, when Don Jazzy and the band be Don Jazzy and the band, that time Don Jazzy know they talk. You go you carry up, boy. They call the form say that they whisper, Don Jazzy. Yeah, Don Baba J say, what's up? Now, Don Jazzy, nobody way they whisper gives, only they talk myself. Even now, any song when he produce BT, they sing or talk, just in case you plan to break away. You know if you go with the song because the voice there inside. Real Igbo man, the guy learned the hard way. Think of any song for Marvin when you must see voice for your head. God we know, God we know, God we know. Now Don Jazzy be that. Now also you be saying me this small boy. Don't realize one man say don't blow, carry my song go. I want to take the song go, your voice inside. Businessman, all the songs, what the ones we concern them, the one we not concern them. Decide I put the voice or put the head. Or your blockies, he must put that voice there. Rather than cry, they cry, you know, you know. Can't take the song, but with the sinner. Businessman, Humble Smith, thank God they did this show, and they find out to beat. Most of all this upcoming, if you're not blown, I'm going to ask God why. When you never blow, you sing song. Humble Smith, you go church, go do video. Sinachi, my heavenly father, Sinachi, my humble mother, Sinachi, choir, and I do backup for you. You don't blow now, you carry the song, go Babalawo house. Go sing the remix for shrine. Carry Babalawo apprentice, they do backup. I all the way from church, you never stop for street. From church straight to shrine. No one come best rich. If you don't wake up, take the song, they explain itself. They let my mother do Sinachi. No, that devil for past come before. My humble mother Sinachi. My papa don't budget. Waiting consign us. Waiting consign us. When you say your papa get money, you just sing.
Yo, what's up? My name is Krebelo, aka K Melo. Keep watching Mental Home of Comedy.